All right, everybody, welcome to today's Tech Talk Tuesday. And today's video, we're gonna start diagnosing the P0068 and P0123 codes on my SRT-4. Now, the other day, my car threw those two codes, and needless to say, I was not the happiest, but nevertheless, that's what happens when you get a car that is, at this point, 17 years old. Things are gonna wear out. You're gonna have to address them. And so I went and pulled up those two codes, and the common thread between the two of them surrounded the throttle position sensor, or TPS. So today's video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about doing the TPS Rewire, and that's where I started on this one for two reasons. The first reason was this car has already had a TPS rewire done before by a previous owner, and so there's a possibility that there's a bad electrical connection. And then the other reason is it's also fairly common looking online for having a TPS rewire being in need to be able to solve these rewire issues or these code issues. So doing the TPS rewire is pretty simple and straightforward. There are kits out there from a variety of places. You can get them from Modern Performance, Turbo Neon Store. I got mine from eBay. The reasons I got mine from eBay was, first, it was the cheapest out of the kits I could find. It was only $28. And the second reason was the wires were already hooked up into the new connector. And so it was just gonna make it that much easier for an installation. And so I went ahead, ordered it for 28 bucks. I will go ahead and put a link in the description below for the kit that I used if you want to go ahead and order it for yours. And it came in a couple of days, worked out really well, had really long wire leads on it, more than enough wire needed to do the rewire. And so I was really happy with this kit. Now, doing the rewire itself, it's really simple and straightforward. It's literally take off 3 wires and reconnect 3 new wires. And so you just gotta make sure you're careful and paying attention to which wires are which. I went ahead and did one at a time just so that way I didn't screw it up. And it was simple and straightforward. And hopefully this remedies my 2 trouble codes that the computer is throwing. We'll see if that works out, and I'll give you an update in a week or so. And that's today's video. I hope you found this information useful as always. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Give me that thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously with that YouTube algorithm. And if you want to be kept up to date with all my future uploads, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell as well. So that way YouTube will keep you up to date of all the videos I do in the future. And as always, guys, I will see you the next video.